Meaning of eternal verity.
Eternal verity.
Eternal verity.
Eternal verity.
Eternal verity. Eternal verity refers to a truth that is believed to be timeless and universal, enduring beyond the confines of any particular culture or historical moment. It implies a certain degree of inevitability and permanence, suggesting that such truths will always hold true regardless of changes in societal norms or scientific understanding. In essence, eternal verities are seen as fundamental principles of the cosmos, guiding our understanding of reality and providing a stable foundation upon which we can build our lives.